kiss is not a contract, but it's very nice. It's very nice. Just because you've been exploring my mouth, it doesn't mean you get to take an expedition further south. No, a kiss is not a contract, but it's very nice. It's very nice. Just because we've been playing tonsil hockey doesn't mean you get to score the goal that's in my jockeys. Oh no, just because I'm in a two-man novelty band doesn't mean it's all about poontang. I can't go around loving everyone. I just couldn't get anything done. You can take me out to dinner, and that might be quite nice. You can buy me a burrito and some beans and rice, but that won't get you into pants paradise. They call it a fly because it takes you up to heaven. Oh, a kiss is not a contract, but it's very nice. It's very, very nice. I'm only one man, baby. Pretty baby. Oh, pretty babies. Don't put that on YouTube.